A bartender can decide when to stop, when to say no in a polite way through his supervisor or manager. They will be taking care. Making drunk is not our job. As a bartender, making drunk is not our job, okay? Same thing, you guys are not worried about your future? Where is your teammate? Can you make a slice? If you go to any other office job or any other job, there you will be doing your job. For example, IT license. But service industry, every day you will be seeing 100 people. So what are some service standards? Tell me guys first. Hygiene. Okay. Grooming. Okay. Serving etiquettes. But the tequila which is made from the tequila region of Mexico only will be called as tequila.